In this video, I'm taking you on a tour of 2037 Tiyata Boulevard here at Tiyata Village in downtown Pemberton, BC. Hi guys, Dean Linnell here with the Linnell Group at the Whistler Real Estate Company. Today I'm excited to show you around 2037 Tiyata Boulevard. This 2,500 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4-bath home is brand new but sold prior to construction just this past April at $1,139,000, and the buyers are taking over tomorrow. So it's the perfect time to show you what our builder has been working so hard on for the past 6 months. Let's get going and have a look. Okay, we're out in front of 2037 Tiyata Boulevard right now. This is the main Tiyata Boulevard street here, which dead ends just at the end here, and that's Mount Currie in the distance. 2037 Tiyata Boulevard is right here, and looking back up the street, lots of construction. All these homes were just built in the past year to 2 years, and I actually live in a house just around the corner right here on the street. I was the first to actually build and move into Tiyata. So the Pony Espresso liquor store main area of downtown is right back here, so it's very, very quick walk. And let's go take a look at 2037 Tiyata Boulevard. Go inside and have a peek here. Really nice fur door on this one. I love what they've done on this house. Okay, so as we come in, you can see we've got a nice big entry. We'll just go into the back area here, and this is where you've got the first bathroom. This big bathroom here. Really cool tiles on this one. They've done sort of a rock and roll sort of a theme here with the tiles. Got some Mick Jagger tiles, Kurt Cobain in there, Sex Pistols. And then you head over into the back area here. This is a media room. And you've got another bathroom here off the media room, and a bedroom. Now we head back upstairs. I'll show you the laundry room here as well. Let's get some lights on. So you got laundry room, washer dryer, dryer's just outside here. So here's the big double garage, huge tall ceilings. Nice big garage here. And we head back through. See the entry here. We're just still working a little bit on this one. We've got some paint touch-ups that still have to happen this week before we get the property turned over to the new owners. That's going to be an office there in the front, and we'll head upstairs. Nice glass railings. And here we have one of the front bedrooms. And next door to it, really nice little bathroom here. Some cool sort of rock and roll tiles here. These were done custom, kind of like a graffiti look. Mirrors are still being installed. And here's the living room. Big sliders, nice tall ones. The deck in the front, looking out into the street here. And got electric fireplace. Huge kitchen island. Some nice storage here on the front of it. Seating right here. Nice double apron farmhouse style sink with KitchenAid appliances. And a 6-burner KitchenAid cooktop here. And this is cool. This is my favorite part of the whole house, actually. We've got a huge deck. Massive deck. Big barbecue. Got a lot of work happening here today. Trying to finish this off for this week. And beautiful views of Mount Currie in the distance here. Awesome spot. And then the other homes here as you go down the this row of homes here. Everyone's got a backyard here. This home next door be very similar in the back here. It'll be finished here in a couple of months. These doors lead into the master bedroom. We've got some of the guys working here on the side here, spreading out the gravel on the side of the house. And we'll head back in and let's go take a look at this big master bedroom. So master bedroom here with nice views out to Mount Currie. You can see that here. You just imagine you're sitting in bed here and you've got Mount Currie in the distance. Now you've got a walk-in closet. And you've also got super nice bathroom here. The buyer is putting in their own mirrors here, so that's coming. Got a nice sink here, lots of storage, super deep tub, which I love this tub. Rival faucets everywhere, and this is sort of a pop art kind of a shower here, seamless glass shower. And got some pretty cool tiles here. These were all custom. I think they ordered them from Italy. And we'll go back out. And let's go take one last look at the living room and kitchen. One thing I didn't talk about here was this side sort of bar area, which I love. I've got the wine fridge here and a nice wide sort of a hutch right there. There's our living room once again. And there we have it. If you're keen to see what other homes at Tiyata Village look like inside, then click on over to the right and have a look at 2036 Tiyata Boulevard as well. My name is Dean Linnell with the Linnell Group at the Whistler Real Estate Company, and my contact details are in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.